During the ROG Phone launch event, I got to see the TwinView Dock in person, and I was really looking forward to it because when I first saw it announced, I was really confused about it. I was like, okay, this is a great idea. Anytime you see two screens, I'm automatically thinking about productivity. I'm thinking about like Photoshop on one screen, like using the toolbar on the bottom screen and the photo on the top, or video editing. I'm thinking about productivity, but this is a gaming device, and it's unique. It takes some time to get used to. I got to play with it for a couple of minutes at the Microsoft store in New York, the flagship store. So rather than talking about the ROG Phone and all of its crazy features and all the other add-on devices that are sold separately, I wanted to make a video specifically on the TwinView Dock because I think it's the most unique add-on. The TwinView Dock is a little bit intimidating when you first see it because you got that big controller and then you got that second screen on the top. As you can see right here, when I first had it in my hand, I didn't know what to do. So I ended up just running a YouTube video and playing a little bit of PUBG. And the first thing I noticed was the shoulder buttons on the top, they have haptic feedback, so it felt great when I was shooting everyone. That's probably one of the biggest benefits of getting the TwinView Dock is those physical triggers on the top. So this thing is loaded with features. The most obvious is the 6-inch display on the top. It has 4 speakers, haptic feedback as I just mentioned. It has enhanced cooling, and it has a 6,000 milliamp battery to charge your phone while you're gaming. So the idea behind the TwinView Dock is that you're gonna use it for streaming. So you're gonna have your Twitch chat on the top, and you're gonna have your game at the bottom so that you can game and interact with your viewers at the same time. So if you're a content creator that likes to play mobile games and stream it, this seems to be the device for you. As you can tell in the video, this controller looks pretty big, but it's not that big. It didn't feel too heavy for me, and it didn't feel too cumbersome. I mean, obviously it's big because you got 2 displays, and if you guys ever had a 3DS, the design is very similar. It's actually pretty lightweight. I wouldn't mind throwing this in my bag and taking it with me on the airport or on the bus. I know it's gonna look a little crazy, but I love crazy devices, and I really respect Asus for making this device and not just making it a proof of concept. This is something that you can actually buy very, very soon. For more details on this phone and other smartphones, be sure to check out techgeeknelson.com and be sure to hit that subscribe button on this video.